Hello, here's my code. We're going to run the Sudoku game. Right here, you got easy, medium, or hard difficulties. With the rules displayed, we're going to go easy. The user could also add their own files later, but for ease of use in the demo video, I'm just doing it this way. Now we're going to go try A1. We'll see that something's already in there, so it won't let me add anything. Let's go 1A. Nope, nothing works, so let's try 2B. Okay, and we're going to give it the number 3, and it's going to say that's an invalid move because we already have 3 in the row. So I'm going to say I want to continue to play. We're going to try B2 to read it the other way. We see that it works just fine. We're going to go the number 4, and that works perfectly fine. And now I'm going to say I don't want to play anymore. We're going to save the board as GG, as good game, and the loading or saving animation displays. So that is the game.